No.
So we got Sam here doing his first mod of the summer.
Bro, if I give you that license plate frame, that's your second mod.
That's matching with the.
Oh, so this is your. Yeah, that's why I'm asking if you want it, so you have matching ones.
I mean, Sam got the sickest deal on the white line springs.
Let's just do what Alan did instead of doing all that.
I don't know.
What hell?
What's the?
Oh shit, he's off already. He has it on purpose.
Just go over there with him.
Yeah.
I want to pick some. That's what I'm trying to say. Shit, this is right Did you break it loose?
Just fucking send it.
Just keep going. It keeps out. Are you actually recording?
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Huh? You think he'll kick out that much?
Not really, but I mean, it might move a little bit.
Oh, that was nothing.
That was nothing.
I'm thinking like Hondas with like 100,000 miles, stuff like that.
So on the back, Sam did it like 5 times.
On one strut.
One strut. We could have did all of them in that time. But to be honest, it's kind of
No, you're waiting for that.
obvious.
I was looking for it, I didn't see it.
Is this on right? Oh, is this on? Supposed to go on a specific one?
That's right.
Yeah, you put this part. Oh, you mean
Like, do it at the top hat, right?
Oh, I just matched it up to the grooves.
where the grooves were?
Ooh. I might have to push this down a little.
And use your thumbs down.
Use your thumbs and tighten the rest of your foot.
Okay, that's on.
You got it, Sam?
You want me to hold it? And
You got it?
And this one is.
Cool.
Did it tap max out?
No?
There you go.
You sure it lined up on the bottom though?
your job over here.
Oh, it spins.
Huh?
Oh, then hell's job.
I'm busy.
He's doing this side. Occupied.
What is he doing?
Right, Sam?
What are you doing?
Jam.
Huh?
Jam.
It jams? No way.
It's supposed to jam.
Should we help Sam?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Oh.
Damn.
Well, black on black. It's pretty good.
Is this 5x100 or 5x114? 5x114.
Is it really?
It's trade
Pull
wheels.
from the bottom.
It's super stuck, right?
Damn it.
Get the. Oh.
How'd you get the control on that? This shit's heavy as fuck.
Louder sound.
This is why I was struggling. I was like, how the fuck did you guys get this shit up?
Oh, we didn't do the other side yet.
Oh.
Secrets of the technician world.
Well, how do you do it when you're on the lift?
I still do the same thing actually.
I'll put it down on the ground.
Yeah. Or we use the
Oh wow, it looks so much easier.
Don't you guys have a jack that like goes all the way up?
Yeah.
We'll do that.
Too high? You have to edit this video for the music.
I think I should go the other way.
Yeah, that way.
Think down a little bit.
like butter.
There you go.
Yeah, we should have definitely marked where it was at.
I marked that side.
Oh,
Damn it, man.
that's why he's
And that's why Alan.
Well,
I just fucking sent it. You can just kind of match it.
it's the top though.
It's okay. You only got a couple days of driving. If it drives all weird.
Can we just move the alignment to Saturday?
No, just.
Part 3 of the install. Sam is still struggling.
Struggle Sam.
Can't even find the right.
19.
Crack kills, bro.
We might have to reconsider our membership.
Hey, I'm doing this so we get to Big Northwest.
What do you say?
The goal is Big Northwest.
I'm not gonna lie, my goal's Big Northwest.
I ain't going to my car.
Huh?
I'm not going to outside of my car.
I just want to be a guy, really, really nice and really fun guy.
Maybe I'll buy a lip kit again.
Put it on like the day of the show.
Take it off right after and sell it for 50 bucks.
Can you just hold it to Jack?
He has one already.
We done?
No, we done.
We should torque.
Forgot about that. Tight. Remember that.
Tight is tight.
Okay, you ready?
It's not gonna work because we don't have.
Check out this point.
Jack stand on this side.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
No, it's gonna be lower now. Oh, never mind.
I can lift your car, man.
You know, we had a woman's lift kit. We went the opposite direction.
This is when you get the reaction. Sam, go stand over there. This is when you get the reaction.
Oh shit, here we go. Monster truck or not monster truck?
Or daily driver.
That wasn't an option.
Okay, here goes.
It didn't settle yet.
That's a good reaction, actually. I saw the disappointment, man.
You know, let's do the e-brake drop.
It's gonna go down more.
Yeah. Just drive it around
Yeah, just drive it up and down the street for a little
after we
bit.
torque
After
it.
we torque everything.
No, just send it. Just go.
Is everything in the back? Was everything in the back torque?
See the backdrop.
Yeah, that's actually pretty nice.
That's cool.
For
Actually, that's what I want.
for a daily.
Yeah, for a daily that needs to go over speed bumps. Yeah, that's that's all right. I can live with that.
All right. You might be the first reviewer on the.
For white line low end spring. I'm just going. He's going to hear me see me coming back, scraping everything.
Do a sick flyby.
Sick bye-bye.
Yeah, I will make the noise for you. Yeah.
That's great.
I'll be mad, man. That's 15. That's $10 gone.
Damn.
Wait for the drop. Wait for the drop.
Whoa. Oh, here we go.
There's a fly-by.
New men. All right, Len, give it the beans.
The beans?
Give it the beans.
Hey, hey. I need these tires for a year so I can save up for new tires.
He's like, okay.
Damn.
He might actually do a fly-by.